Full gas monitor, we're talking carbon monoxide, hydrogen sulfide, oxygen, and explosive, LEL. Check out the form factor, very nice, very ergonomic. Belt clip, pop it on your man, pop it on your belt, pop it on your bag. It has a nice little ring there to put your sling on. You may want to do that. And it's such a beautiful, robust, good looking unit. And you could see the backlight turning on and off. That's the safe power. You want that to happen. You don't want the backlight to always be on because it's going to be sucking and drawing power. Folks, when it alarms, it's going to buzz, 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 LEDs and vibration.